should go now. How about that? I think that's right.
Sounds like something's happening.
Yeah.
Here, Tiwi.
Kei reira
Give us a
koutou.
sign.
I reckon that's it. Because I can hear my echo on the phone and I don't know how to stop that. But anyways. I think that's it anyway. Is it?
Yay.
Yes, Morena. Wow, let's just go through that again, shall we? Welcome to the good life. Welcome to the good life. The wait is over. Morena Tiwi, you are listening to Eare Mara live from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Ki runga I tēnei o ngā teihana ki anei ko Ngātihine FM. And it's Friday. You've made it. Here we go. And drop to the down. Pick it up slow and to the side and thanks for following. No one else follows me. Nah. Morning Tiwi. We're starting again because now that we've got our technical side all done, we're live online at Ngātihine FM, at Eare Mara, at Nifa Creative. So join us online or on air. And as you can see, those who are online will see that the crew is different today. So no my haere mai reira.
Kia ora. I'm much prettier than them.
Yes. Get it.
They're not here, so I can say that.
So the crew, well, I don't know where they are. Useless. Luke's gone down to Greymouth and Phoenix is in Taipa. So your show must go on. It's Bring Your Friend to Work Friday. So kei tere te koe te generator.
Hi, thank you for the invite, Master. Come along and join you today.
And drive.
And drive.
And now you can see all the technical difficulties. It's a real thing.
Absolutely. For those listening and don't know who I am, my name is Janet Harris, a.k.a. Generator. So I usually sit behind the scenes at home sending messages off to the ERA Mara crew. But today I'm front and centre. But yeah, felt a bit aroha for you, Marcio, and you said, I'm going to be by myself. So here I am.
It is why it's a Friday. So tonua mai or request online. And maybe we'll sing it. Okay, so we want to see that anyway. I tēnei wā kia ngā whakarunga tō tātou te tiro ki ngā tohu huarere. Whangarei's weather for today. Usually Luke reads this out really well, but today it's morning cloud, clear to fine, light winds, then northerlies from noon. We've got a maximum high of 26 degrees, dropping to a low of 7 degrees overnight. It says one layer of clothing is needed, hopefully. And ki ngā tai o Whangarei. High tide is at, let's start with low. Low tide's right now. High tide at 1:45 this afternoon. And low tide again at 7:45. And 8:30 is your sunset. So it's going to be a low tide sunset. Sorry about that. Can't do anything. Ki tō tātou maramataka. You want to read it? Or do you want to sing the song?
I'll sing it, eh?
I'll get it. Hina. You sing it. I'll let you sing it. Here we go.
Now?
Yeah. Oh, kia ora. No mai haere mai. I suck at this voice, eh? Nah. Do you want to do it?
I've already started singing.
It's supposed to be sexy maramataka, but I just sound like a queen, actually. Tō tātou maramataka mō te rangi nei. Tamatea ahangana. A little encouragement needed today. So if that feels like it's you, well, you can thank Hina for that. You can thank the maramataka. Nō reira hea te maramataka mō te rā nei. Tamatea ahangana. A little encouragement needed today. Oh, get it. Here we go. Wrap it up. Wairua. Go. And Wairua o te aroha e. Boom. Maramataka. I told do you want to sing the part so you can be better than the boys?
No pressure.
Do you want to?
Okay, I'll give anything a go.
Wairua o te aroha e. Luke and Phoenix, if you're watching, take note. Can spy?
Wairua o te aroha e.
Here we go. Wairua o Taroha e. Ah, Luke Phoenix just sacked. Here we go. That's your maramataka, your weather and your tides. Mō tēnei wā. More updates coming your way. Very shortly, we're going to play our first game for today. It's called Eare Mara. You know what it is? Well, you'll soon see what it really is in the next couple minutes. Tuatahi though. Here is a song that is continuing to go viral. We love it. It's 35, Kahao and Rob Ruha. Kia utanu mai ki tēnei teihana. E kia nei ko Ngāti Hine FM. Eare Mara.
Tapa, nunua tapa, tapa ko nunua koe ana tupua. Tapa rea tapa, nunua tapa, ko nunua koe ana tupua. Kahawi runga, kahawi aroa, kahawi te manawa, tapu manawa. First place to see the sun, te taira piti is always on. Best be ready for the time of your life. Cruising down the highway 35. Hewi nati no pore nani. Ko te kuti te wera te hua kuapanui. Pareire tapa, nunua tapa, tapa ko nunua koe ana tupua. Tapa rea tapa, nunua tapa, ko nunua koe ana tupua. Kahawi runga, kahawi aroa, kahawi te manawa, tapu manawa. Pai's on the one and only. Chutaki hite hati nati. Deka. Wakatata, tatarawa. Wakatata, tatarawa. Wataki waipara. Waipara, State Highway 35. Tokomaru for a power pie. Straight down to Whamara, Tamako Baikea, Weherua, Pareire tapa, nunua tapa, tapa ko nunua koe ana tupua. Tapa rea tapa, nunua tapa, ko nunua koe ana tupua. Kahawi runga, kahawi aroa, kahawi te manawa, tapu tanga manawa. Kahawi runga, kahawi aroa, kahawi te manawa, tapu tanga manawa. Kahawi runga, kahawi aroa, kahawi te manawa, tapu tanga manawa. Kahawi runga, kahawi aroa, kahawi te manawa, tapu tanga manawa. He mea tautoko nā te mangai.
Iwa te kaumā iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei. Iwa te kaumā iwa ira tahi tuatu I Hikurangi. Mōre nei te wi Ngāti Hine FM. It is 26 minutes past 7 o'clock. No mai haere mai on air online. You'll see and hear that I've got a ring-in today. Our generator, she usually sends us all this info backstage and we're like, thanks. Because, you know, we might not have been doing enough research. But our generator is one of those who will send it through and say, hey, anei e tahi pūrongo, mō koutou, mō te rangi nei. Heoi anō, nau mai haere mai, it's a generator.
Kia ora e te iwi. Sorry, I'm just getting caught up with all the
All
All
the
the
comments.
comments.
Oh, what are they
It's like,
saying? Because I can't
beautiful.
see
I
them.
feel very welcomed by all tonight.
Oh, very
today.
good.
Hmm.
What are they saying? I can't see them.
Oh, so we've got yes, DJ Fire Janice.
Get it.
You can guess who that's from. And then we've
DJ
got
Fire Janice. That's Chancerina.
this Chancerina, and then we've got Nanny Maud. Janet in the house. Woo, woo.
Which
So,
is
yeah,
she's doing
clearly.
it just like that too. Janet in the house. Whoop, whoop.
And yes, Nanny Maud, I am singing with Marsha.
Oh, give it. What a Friday. It's iwi. Nothing like putting you on the spot.
Absolutely. If it was cold outside, I wouldn't know because I am burning up. Nervous.
It's cold in here.
I'm hot.
Oh, kia ora.
I'm very hot.
Well, ko tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga e tātou mā. E kia nei ko? No, it's not that. E kia nei ko? E ara e mara! Here we go. Body roll and just like Ere mara, chance for us to wake up the brain, wake up the roro, the twins of the roro, ro, iho, ro, ake. I think, don't at me for not listening to Phoenix every time he says that. Sorry, I forgot. Did you? Do you remember?
No.
No, sad.
And I watch
Sad to
every day.
Phoenix. I'm pretty
So
sure
bad
it's
at
ro,
Phoenix.
iho, ro, ake. I don't know though. Here or not, a chance for us to wake up in the morning and nothing like a good game to put you on the edge of your seat. Okay, so today's game is Articulate. Do you want to tell us a little bit about it?
No.
Okay,
I have
great.
no idea what it is. I just know we have to describe something without telling you the word.
Yes,
Is
that's
that correct?
exactly it. That's
Okay.
exactly it. Without telling me the word, describe it, and then we'll go back and forth. Sweet?
I'm very nervous, yes, but I'll give it a go.
Okay, well, I'm going to give you, actually, I've ran out of phones. I'm going to count on my... Have you got another phone?
I do.
Oh, in the
phone.
Barney bag.
In the
We're going to
Barney
get
bag, not only do I have toilet paper, but I do have another phone.
Kia ora.
Here you go.
Tēnā koe. We are going to give a timer of 30 seconds. Is that right? 30 seconds. And you're going to describe 5 words, okay? You have to get 5 words out. 30 seconds or a minute? I'll give you a minute first round.
Oh, no, that seems like a really long time.
Yeah, well, you want more time. Here we go. Tore wha.
Okay, it's the holiday season and he...
Christmas.
Sorry.
Santa.
He says, it's his famous words that he says.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, yes. Oh, do I keep
Yeah,
going?
keep going.
It's a place where he creates
South Pole.
everything with his elves. It's
Warehouse.
It's
It
the
is
holiday theme. It's all about the
Christmas
Red Man.
at
And
the
he has
Santa's warehouse.
Yes, well,
Okay,
close
yeah.
enough. Santa's workshop.
Okay.
Mrs. Claus's husband.
Santa Claus.
Yes. People leave these things out for Santa when he
Cookies
comes.
and milk.
Yes. Not that one. Not that one. So not so much in New Zealand, but in the North Pole they have
Snow.
yes,
Oh,
but
very
they
good.
do have they play a game.
Snowballs.
Yes. No
Very
fights.
good. That was it.
Oh.
5.
Oh gosh.
And a minute. Lucky I gave you a minute.
Oh, lucky
very
you
good,
gave me
though.
a minute. Yes.
Or themed around Christmas. Okay.
Okay,
Shall
yes,
I
here
give
we
you a
are,
theme
so.
then? I will give you a theme of catchphrases. How about that?
Catchphrases.
I'll make it medium.
Thank you, Sarah Kay. There's a faith in me.
Okay, now forget about the catchphrases. That looks cacks. Okay, here we go. 1 minute. Okay, tere te koe. You have to guess all my words now.
Okay.
Here we go.
Sorry in advance.
And timata. It's not. Oh, it's like a twister in the weather.
Tornado.
Yes. Ohana means
Whānau. Family.
yes. On the again.
On the road again.
Very good. That's 3. If you break both of your legs, you probably have to get in one of these.
Wheelchair.
Yes. And clothing that I don't suggest wearing to pack and save in whāngarei. You need
Pajamas.
Yes, there you go. It's not a pajama run of
Ooh.
party to iwi. Very
Oh,
good.
wow.
Round 1.
Oh, do we go again?
We go again.
Goodness.
Oh, you need to open your phone.
My phone password is aha. There you
Okay.
go. Just a
Crank it
minute.
up. Do medium or hard? We'll do
Ooh.
3 rounds. Next one is level medium.
Ooh.
Kitirite?
No, not yet. Oh, sorry, Tiwi. Just random.
Random.
Okay.
Here we go.
These might be easy because it's all that's coming to
No,
me.
but have you got it on the medium level?
No, I haven't even got it on here because I can't work it. Sorry.
What do you mean? Show me.
Okay, here you go. I cannot change it.
Oh, where are you from?
Sorry, Tiwi. Can't work my phone.
There we go.
Medium. Okay. Catchphrases.
Oh, it's just random words, really. Here we go. Toro fa.
So there's no theme, but you do this to music.
Sing.
No.
You
When
do
the
it
music
to
is
music.
pumping,
you turn it up.
No, sorry.
You-
When the music goes on, you tend to
You blast it.
move your body.
You dance.
Yes. This is people go to do this a lot in summertime. They pack up their cars and they
Camping.
pack their yes. You find this very difficult to not say anything.
Clean. Nah. To not say anything,
Yeah.
stay silent.
Yes. It's in a home. It's where people congregate and usually
Lounge.
yes.
That's hard.
People set these to
Goals.
yeah.
Yes, very good. Okay, you had 10 seconds left. Well done.
Woo.
Here we go. My turn. Okay, Tiri Tuku.
Yes.
Round 2, fight. Another term for your bum.
Bottom.
Nah,
Timbo.
like you look
Does it
to the
start with
back
A?
and all you see is Eccles Harry.
Crack.
That's it. Okay. You do this to yourself if you're like, am I awake or am I dreaming?
You do this again?
Yeah. Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? So I'll do this to myself. Oh, Orton still.
Get a fright.
No, I've still got scars from
Oh,
Orton.
pinch.
Yes. You ride this on waves.
Boogie board or surfboard.
Yes. When you can't really see on the road because there's so much
Fog.
Yes. George Hori is a monkey, and on a TV series, there's a word that comes before it because he's very
Curious.
yes. And did we do 5? I'm pretty sure we did 5.
I'm pretty sure we did a lot.
How are we going? How's the comments saying? How
wow,
are we doing?
There's a lot of good there. You know, I'm getting a lot of help. I'm finding it really difficult to multitask at the moment, kind of looking at you, concentrating on the question, looking at the screen and putting it all up. But thank you, Etiwi, for your help. Yes, Sarah Kay, Gail, they're helping you. And it
very
is dance.
good.
And Sarah Kay got it, pinch.
Yeah.
It's something that Ortone did to you.
Scars.
So Sarah Kay's been
Scars,
listening every day.
scars. But then, like we did it to each other. You know, when you're siblings. Oh,
Yes.
did you do that?
No.
Nah, like normal siblings actually have punch ups. We have pinch ups.
So I'd hate to see
What a
Ortone's
lame.
and then.
Nah, I reckon his is. Oh, maybe. Do you have some scars, Ortone? Or was it mental scars? Nah, anyway, that was the extent of our fighting. But then he would pinch me and it would be the not even sore. Because you can't
Oh.
show any reaction. Because then they win. Okay, round 3 and final round. Put
Oh, we're doing it
your
again.
your thingy on hard
Okay.
in
Hard.
the section.
Category. Right.
Okay,
Oh, these are.
hard.
Yeah. Okay. Oh,
Okay, Tiriti,
Carl.
1 minute.
These. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. Tore fa.
He does the teacher does this, or at
Teach.
university.
Educate.
University.
Professor.
A university.
University
they're in
lecture.
yes. This one is related to you, not your first, but
Cousin.
yes, not your first cousin.
Second cousin.
Yes. What? So I'm changing it. I'm changing it. So it's at the sea, and the moon controls it.
Tides.
Yes. You're waiting for these when you go to when you've had an exam or your
X-ray.
No
Results.
Yes. Farmers has got this, and you go up and
Escalator.
down. Yes.
Yes, that was it.
Oh,
you got it. Well done.
Oh, that other one was hedge.
Hedge.
Yeah, I was thinking
over the hedge.
Hedge. I was like,
very good. See, that was the sound of
it.
You making it in time.
Very good.
Farmers
very good.
has got an escalator. You know, I remember back when we were teenagers, the DGs would know this. That teenagers these days, they're like, we got nothing to do. Well, we used to go to Farmers and play Tiggy.
I remember
That's
seeing
how good we were too.
My first escalator was down in Wellington, and I think it was at a farmer's too.
Oh,
and we went down there, and I was
for a trip to see an escalator.
Yeah, no, not to see an escalator. We actually went to the zoo, but it was like a real novelty back in not that long ago.
Save the year. Save the year.
Wasn't that long ago?
On the day. Okay, here we go. Final round. Put the timer on.
Nanny Maud has got all of those answers right.
Very good. Here we go. Uno momento. You get 3 of these from the genie.
Wishes.
It's money. It's about money. The amount of money.
Million.
And it's like it's the word to describe the amount of money or like what it's worth. What's this
value?
Yes. The trees that are by Whangarei, Pehiaweni Marae and the church, those trees.
Willow trees.
Oh, are they? I thought they started with the O.
Oh, oak trees.
Yes.
Oh, are they oak trees anymore?
The stuff that you put into a container, we put it in the freezer so that the ants don't get it.
Oh, rubbish.
No, but like what specifically? What
Containers?
kind of rubbish?
Food packet. Food rubbish.
Yeah, what food? Biff that idea.
Rotten food. Rotten food?
No, like biff that idea.
Scrap. Oh, look, thank you, Nanny Maud.
Okay, I think I had one more. He's married to Angelina Jolie. Well, he was.
Brad Pitt.
There you go, Brad
Pitt.
Koira.
Is he back with Jenna Aniston?
Eh?
Is he back with Jennifer Aniston?
I did see that. Who knows? Are you, Brad? If you're listening, let us know. That was Eare Mara. Hopefully you're awake at home too. Still to come very shortly, topical news. Hioia no Tutahi. Here's a jam. It's Auntie Andy and crew when the cats are away. Melting pot. Luke will be going off right now. But he's just actually off. Auntie FM.
And a little bitty bit of red Indian bones. Dirty Latin kid. Yellow chin kiss. If you lump it all together, well, you got a recipe for a get-along scene. What a beautiful dream. If it could only come true, you know. What we need is a great big melting pot, big enough to take the world and all it's got. Keep it stirring for 100 years or more. Turn out coffee, color, sweet Rabbis on the fire, bishops and a guru. You got the Beatles or the sundown. Well, it really doesn't matter what religion you do. It makes you feel so faithful. It could be so graceful. great big mountain pot. Big enough to take the world and all that's got. Stirring for 100 years or more. Turn out coffee on a street by the What we need is a great big enough to take the world and all it's got. Stirring for 100 years or more. Turn out coffee on a street by the soul. What we need is a great big mountain pot. Big enough, big enough, big enough to take the world and all it's got. Stirring for 100 years or more. Turn out coffee on a street by the soul. What we need is
Me whakapapa te ora, hoki ki te tūā papa, connecting to practices that nurture well-being. I mohia koe. Did you know? Staying at home when you are sick helps you get better quick and keeps others safe from illnesses. This is the best thing you can do to stop the spread of illnesses and take care of your whānau. This is just one way to protect ourselves from COVID-19. Kia pū mo te ora to maintain well-being.
Kia ora. What are you doing in 2022? Keen to start something life-changing? Study a foundation course right here in Whangarei with the University of Auckland and gain the skills and confidence you need to learn more at auckland.ac.nz/TFC.
Nau mai haere mai ki te whare haura o ngā tihine. Kia wero a koe ki te rongoa ārai ma te kowhiori, tuatahi, tuarua, tuatoru rānei.
Ka puare ngā kuaha o te whare o Torongare mai i te iwa ki te whā, mane ki te praere.
He mea he āwanga he pātai rānei au, haere ki www.nhht.co.nz.
Waia mai ki kore waru kore kore, rua whetū rua, whā waru, whā rua.
Te Ora is celebrating workers with the Ngā Mihi campaign. We want to demonstrate our gratitude and aroha before Christmas by saying Ngā Mihi, and we want you to do the same. Visit the Ngā Mihi website and create a Ngā Mihi for our frontline and essential workers. Share your Ngā Mihi through your social media network and stay connected for up-and-coming event competitions and celebrations. You find all the details at www.ngamihi.com.
The rhythm of the rohe.
help me myself.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kaumā iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaumā iwa ira tahi tuatu I he kurangi. E ara e mara Ngāti Hine FM. More nei te iwi, as you can see and hear, it's a different crew today. It's bringing your friend in Friday because the other two are not coming in for some reason. Friday.
Yeah, where are they?
Good question.
Why am I here?
Did one comment. Where are you? So Luke is in Greymouth and Phoenix is in Taipa. Heoi anoiti with the show on. We are here and we've brought Generator Maite backstage, ki te front stage. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling okay. I'm starting to settle in. I was nervous at first. I was hot. But yeah, no, it's great to be here. Thank you for the invite.
Kia ora.
I heard, when you said, I'm going to be by myself. Do you want to come? And I thought, my normal reaction is, heck no. But today I thought, no, I'm going to give it a go.
Heck no.
Give it a go, bro. So,
just give it a go. Ka whai. Wow, e te iwi, ko tai tātou ki tēnei wāhanga. It's topical news. So we're seeing what's hot on the headlines, e te iwi, and you've got some cool pūrongo.
yes. So I'm just reading off the Governor General of New Zealand's page in Facebook.
Okay.
So a beautiful woman to our whānau and to the world, I guess. Dame Hinewehi Mohi travelled all the way down to Wellington to receive her tohu from the Governor General. So that's
Massive.
massive.
All rise, Dame Hinewehi Mohi. Rise.
That's right.
If you're watching e te mare kura e Hinewehi, tēnā koe. Cool.
Yeah,
And that's your cousin.
yes. Anyway, he just happens to be a cousin of mine.
Now,
So-
she already got this, eh?
She did, but I don't think that I think this is the official
Okay.
knighting, or is it called a knighting, or
Well,
what do
did
they
they-
call it? Somebody help us out.
Yeah, because
here.
you went to the dinner.
No, I was supposed to go to the dinner. I was all dressed, ready to go, and then my moko was taken to hospital, so I
Okay.
had to go in my
Good.
glad rags to the hospital. So,
Okay.
yeah, but
So
very
they
proud
had
of
a dinner
Henry.
down in Kahungunu,
Yes, to celebrate her.
celebrate, but this was like the knighting part.
Yes, this was the official knighting. So
All rise,
yeah.
Dame Hinewehi, for her
Yes.
contribution to, does it say?
yeah, so
Oh, really?
I can read a little bit about what it is that she was
Can't be
recognised for. So for the service to Māori, music and television.
Kōrero.
Dame Hinewehi Mohi of Ngāti Kahungunu, Ngai Tūhoi, has contributed to music, television production, charity work and advocacy for te reo and tikanga Māori.
Very cool. And the last time we saw her, we were doing Pepeha with 660.
Yes. And
So
you've had her
she's-
on the show, haven't you? On
Yes, we've had her on the show.
show.
We did interview her. We did that too. All rise for Dame Hinewehi. But yeah, no, she does all of that. She's the one behind the scenes for Waiata, what is it called? Waiata Anthems, albums, as well as the kaupapa that she does with 660 and heaps of artists here in Aotearoa making mainstream Māori mainstream. We are the mainstream. So heaps of that is thanks to Hinewehi.
Yes,
And
now
of
you
course,
hear
she
the
like
Māori
pioneered
national
with
anthem.
doing that thing that she did years ago during the rugby
World Cup.
Yes, Rugby
Yes.
World Cup. She sang the anthem entirely in te reo Māori. And now look, ko parai ai te huarahi, mamatai hei whai atu. So, e te mārei kura Dame Hinewehi, e mihi ana tēnā rā koe. What do you call her? Kazi? Nah.
Well, now I call her Dame.
Oh, kia ora e te dame.
Dame Kazi.
Do you know, Mr. Bristow's got a word for Dame, a Ngāti Hine word. We have to wait for his word, but I'm sure you can probably read between the lines. I'm not going to say it.
There's a question here from Maruata Rewiti. What's the name of the song for Moana?
For
Is
Moana.
that from? Is that the one where she sang with Moana Maniapoto? Is it Black Pearl? No. Was she
What are you talking about, Maru? What's the name of the song for Moana?
What's the name of the song? Question mark for Moana.
Ah, is that what she's talking? You know, when Moana, my cousin Moana.
Oh, your cousin. Oh,
And then we're on a radio and
right.
Moana couldn't guess the song and we're going through it and yes, and it was supposed to be Hine Reikatari. I get it. In-house joke to you, but that was hilarious. To this day, we still don't know what song my cousin was talking
No,
about.
but Nanny Morta's put in Kua Makona, maybe.
Kuamakona. Maybe it is. Ask Moana. Here no, thank you for that. Can you open? Man, you've got like your phone on lock straight away.
You're the one that set it up. So you'll be blaming me,
No,
girlsy.
it's you. It's your fault. Okay, my pūrongo mo te rangi nei, there's a disgruntled dad. He's disgruntled because his daughter, who used to work at a grocery shop, brought back this list of rules from her employer. And he put it up on he tweeted it. It went viral. And people, like, heaps of people agreed with him and heaps of people actually thought it was, disagreed. But here it is. Anyway, he was mad because this is the list that his daughter brought back. There were rules for her mahi. Rule number 1, life is not fair. Get used to it. Rule number 2, the world won't care about your self-esteem. The world will expect you to accomplish something before you feel good about yourself.
Oh,
Well, rule number 3.
so it's all about taking a cup of cement, taking it
Actual.
hard
Well,
enough.
because
Is that what that's about?
mainly workers that work here at this place. I'm not too sure where it is. Pretty sure it's in the Bay of Plenty though. They're all teenagers.
Oh.
And the dad was saying they're paid not paid well. And then to top it off, this is what she came home with. Rule number 3, you will not make $60 million a year right out of high school. You won't be a vice president with a car and a phone until you earn both. Well, it's some pretty hard rules here, Terry, but heaps of people went viral with it saying, yeah, tautoko. If you think your teacher is tough, wait till you get a boss. Rule number 5, flipping burgers is not beneath your dignity. Your grandparents had a different word for flipping burgers. They called it opportunity. Kia ora.
Oh.
Rule number 6, if you mess up, it's not your parents' fault, so don't whine about your mistakes. Learn from them.
Wow, that's
I think you're agreeing. Yeah, you're agreeing.
pretty hearty stuff. Yeah, quietly, I'm just like, yeah, I don't know, fellas. Nah.
Rule 7, before you were born, your parents weren't as boring as they are now. They got that way from paying bills, cleaning your clothes, and listening to you talk about how cool you thought you were. So before you save the rainforest from the parasites of your parents' generation, try cleaning up your own closet. Kia ora.
Wow, and then
the rules go on.
Dose of reality.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is. But the father wasn't very happy. He tweeted it. He's taken down his tweet. But like I said, heaps of people were like, oh my gosh, that's terrible. But there was more people saying, tautoko.
There'll be a lot of,
Poor teenagers.
Yeah.
They
It's a
come at
different
us.
generation these days, isn't it? I mean, I've got a 14-year-old one of them at home.
Kika, girl, kika.
Yes.
All right. That's your topical news. And the biggest one of all, get your skates on, Jen. Here you go.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Yes, Tate Ma. What am
The
I?
kids jingle belling and
Hello,
everyone
Linda.
telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
That's right. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's Christmas, and that cues our Christmas giveaway called 12 Days of Christmas. I was like, do you even watch us? 12 days. What is it called? 12 Days of Christmas. And what does that mean? Well, it's here. It means we've got 12 days of prizes to give away. We've teamed up with local businesses to put together this big bash of Christmas beauty prizes coming your way. That's called 12 Days of Christmas.
Sorry,
Come on,
it's
girl. Hey, come on. And
I'm trying to find it.
So am I. It was just there.
12 Days of Christmas. 12 Days of Christmas prizes.
Oh, you know why I can't find it? Because you don't even like our page. Anyway, it says, ho, 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 Merry Christmas. We've teamed up with local businesses, like I said, to give away prizes, 12 prizes over 12 days. Actually, we've got more than 12, but we're giving them over 12 days because it's called 12 Days of Christmas. She's getting it, Tiwi. Prizes include the Key Restaurant voucher,
They can save vouchers.
Central Fitness Pilates session,
Hello Pickle voucher.
My Tile merchandise,
Ngā Werua.
Soil and Sand merchandise.
Common Ground Fitness. Is that membership?
Yeah, that's
Yes.
a membership. A week's worth of Eara and Mata's favourite pie. At the moment, the favourite pie is still Pilkington's, but
Okay.
we've got one more week of favourite pie, so you never know, it might change it up, but yeah. Anyway, a week's worth of Eara and Mata's favourite pie.
Mo Designs Māori.
Māori wrapping paper, that's right. And Hatia Kapahaka merchandise. I know there's a whole lot of Hatia members that want that. Why?
Well, get liking
Pay
then.
for your own merchandise, okay? No.
Oh, get liking.
Get
and then
liking,
you might get
sharing,
one.
and win.
Yeah,
What
we've
else?
got Birdman merchandise.
And then one of our top prizes, dinner with the Eara e Mara crew. I suppose that's you included now.
Oh, yes.
You get to come to dinner.
Do I eat for free?
Well, look, I don't make the rules, okay?
Or do I have to pay for my own? Or we all
Look, we
chipping
won't
in?
get into details, okay? But definitely the winner will not have to pay, but you'll get dinner with all of us, the E.R.A. Mana crew, and we've been told that dinner will be provided by the one and only, our very good friend, one of our number one supporters, Zach.
Oh, Zach.
Yes, with his company, Fat Boys Barbecue, Tiwi.
Oh, my goodness. It's so divine.
Yes. If you haven't had Fat Boys Barbecue, then you definitely win that prize.
You're missing
So,
out, yeah.
again, all part of 12 days of Christmas. What are you got to do to enter? He pato paitera.
Oh, so I think you've got to.
Just say step 1.
Step 1.
Make sure you're following us at E Mara on Facebook and on Instagram. There's 2 things. Or, no, sorry. You gotta be, let's do this again. Step 1, go.
Step 1.
Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at E Mara, Ngāti Hine FM, Nifa Creative, Luke Brand Entertainment, all of it.
Step 2.
Share the post on Facebook or on Instagram. Share it to your story and tag us.
And step 3.
In the comments, tag as many friends as you want. The more people you tag, the more entries you have. So I see a whole lot of people like Tangaroa's tagged all his friends. Hui te rangi ora, Amalea, like all of them. All of those tags will get an entry into this draw. And then
I think I've been
starting
tagged
Monday,
like 20 times to
get
to
it.
E.R.A. Mara.
You might win a dinner with E.R.A. Mara.
No, I haven't done the tagging, but I've been tagged in.
You haven't even liked the page on your phone. You lose.
Okay, I'll do it tomorrow.
Okay, so, but starting Monday next week will be day 1 of the prizes, okay? Day 1 of this kaupapa, 12 days of Christmas. I'm only doing that because I'm sure you can sick and say
I am. Like, I'm actually losing my voice.
I'm trying to say it 12 times. Did you get that? Anyway, starts next Monday. We're going to have a app generator that'll spin the wheel to tell us what prize you'll be winning that day. And then it'll spin the wheel again to tell us who wins the prize. Okay, so we have no control over what prize it is and who wins it. Just know that these epic prizes will be in the draw.
And you can enter as many times as you like just by tagging somebody.
That's right.
Wow, that could be, if you look at your list, that's like over thousands of people.
10 people. And one of them hasn't even entered. Gosh.
Uh-oh.
Kia ora. Heoi anō I tēnei wā. Huge shout out to those who have already shared it, already liked it. It's never too late. You can even jump on, but I don't recommend it, on the 12th day and put your order in, because once you've tagged someone, you go in the draw every time we draw out a prize, okay? So it's a bit like a banners up, except when you win, you only win one prize, you're taken out.
Oh.
But once you're in the draw, you're in the draw for all 12 days. So it's a Uber to get sharing, get liking, get commenting, get tagging for this kaupapa 12 days of Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Was that number 12?
Yes.
Are we done?
Anei. Kia kia no tata ki te mita o te rohe. Here is Wairua, it's my boy. Ngāti Hine FM.
ka te mora. Kaputa nei koe nā. Kaputa nei koe nā.
Ara takahia maki te piti piti maki ki te pāpā maki te piti piti maki. Hei tamatu tamara. Hei tamatu tamara. Takahia maki te piti piti maki ki te moima maki te piti piti maki. Hei tamatu tamara. Hei tamatu tamara.
Kia hiwara, e whai ake nei ko ngā pito pito kōrero.
E ngā iwi o te motu tēnā koutou katoa, Scotty Morrison tēnei me ngā upoko kōrero o te wāna te pūtea taunaki a te māngai pāho. E whai ake nei e te iwi I whakawhiwhia a kahurangi Hinewehi mohi ki te tohu kahurangi I te whare o te kāwana tianara I te whanganui atara I ngā rā tata nei. Ana ko te mahitahi a te ao pāpāho me te ao hauara ke puta I ngā hua nui o te hauara ara ki a ngai tātou te iwi Māori me ngā hā kinekina e whai ake nei. I whakawhiwhia a kahurangi Hinewehi mohi a tauira o mua o te whare wānanga o Waikato o tira uri o Ngāti Kahungunu ki te tohu kahurangi I te whare o te kāwana tianara I te whanganui atara I ngā rānei. Ko āna mahi nui I te ao Waiata, te ao pāpāho, me ngā hapori Māori, ngā take nui I pinea ia ki te hōnore nei. Hei tā tēnei kahurangi hō o tātou, e miharo ana ia I te kaha o te whanaketanga o tēnei whenua I roto I te tauawhi I te Māoritanga, tai atu rā hoki ki te panoni haeretanga o ngā waiaro. Hei tāna he hōnore nui tēnei mōna kia whakawhiwhia ia ki tēnei tohu kahurangi nei. Hei tāna no hoki I te wā I waiata ai ia I te ngari o te motu ki te reo Māori anake, ka kaha te amuamu a te tokomaha, ara ka pauri hoki ko tōna ngākau. Engari nai nei, ka waiatatia e te katoa, pau te kaha. Ko hono te ao pāpāho me te ao hauara kia puta I te tini te maha o ngā hua hauara ki a ngai tātou te Māori. Ko rauora te ingo te kaupapa nei, te whakakotahitanga nei, te whakatōpūtanga nei. Ko te māngai ko Ken Kerehoma.
Kei te hui I te I a te whakamenanga o tāo pāpāho me ngā kaimahi a te rauora. E whai nei mātou kia riro ko te pūnaha hauora a Māori I a tātou tiwi Māori. Me te ao pāpāho taunaki I tēnei pokaro. Ko te whainga mātuna te hoahoatanga ki a te ao pāpāho I auawainga tū takitaki ki ngā hapu iwi marae hapuri Māori a ka mohi ai rātou ko ai mātou.
Ko paua a chapi te kani, hei kai hautu, hei mana hautu I a oranga tamariki mo te tau kei mui te arawaro, a neira a kahurangi Neira Glavish.
Ko te ke I te whakawhiriwhiri, ko wai ka haka haere I tō tātou, hei mana hautu mō tātou, mō oranga tamariki tēnei wā, ko hakaingia, tuku I nei, mahi kia chapi, mō te wā o te kotahi tau. Kia whiriwhiri ngia te hea tae, ke hiki te hāpai I ngā mahi kei mui a tātou.
Ia tātou e kōrero whakakotahitanga ana, ia tātou e kōrero whakatōpūtanga ana, kei te whakakotahi a ngā rōpū rangatahi Māori me ngā rōpū rangatahi o te moana nui a Kiwa, ki te pakanga atu ki te kōwhiori, te uru tā, a neira a Kimo Winiata o Ngāti Raukawa.
Ki te kuhu mai ngā whanaunga o te moana nui a Kiwa, me kuhu mai hoki tā rātou titiro ki te ao. Me kuhu mai hoki o rātou reo ki te katoa nei. Ka pēnei mai rā, nō reira, me pai mātou I ra Māori rā, ki mate, ki atu a te whenua kāo. He tauira, engari, me whai I te i tō koutou ake ahurea. Te ara tere ai, te whāngai i enei karere ki tō iwi.
Nā, kua katia he papa hōpuni o Rongonui i te tai tokerau, kei tai peta atu te marea me te kōwhiori i o rātou taha ki reira, hei tēnei wā o te raumati. Toko maha ngā whānau Māori e noho tata ana, e noho karapoti ana i te whanga o Maitai. Hei tā te hapori, kua katia e rātou ngā huarahi ki te rohe, kia kaua a Ngāti Tāmaki, me kia kaua te kōwhiori, e tai atu ki reira. Hei tā ana hera Herbert Graves o te runanga o Ngāti Kahu. He whenua tēnei i tāhaingia i whānako hia e te karauna i ngā wā o mua. Kei runga te papa hōpuni i tēnei whenua i aia nei. Engari he whenua ia tēnei, ko āta whakaritea e te kāwanatanga, hei whakahoki mā rātou kia Ngāti Kahu, hei te wā kātau te kokoraho tiriti o Waitangi a te iwi. Hoi no rei te iwi e whai ake nei ko ngā tai pito ha kinekina.
Get your daily dose of Māori news and information. Pāki Waha, weekday mornings from 7 on Radio Wātea.
E Tu Whānau, the movement of positive change against violence. It's time to take responsibility and action in our communities to support whānau to thrive. Go to etufano.org or like us on Facebook. E Tu Whānau, te manakaha o te whānau.
Ki te riki ko Tohu Harris te tangata te kaumārua kia kāpene i te kapatamatoa. Ara kua riro māna te tūranga o Roger Tuivasa-Sheck e whakakapi ake mo te tau 2022 mārua. Kei te aruaru te uri o Ngāti Kahu ngunu i ngā tapuai o Stacey Jones a rāwa ko Ruben Wiki e tahi atu Māori kia kāpene i te kapatamatoa. Hoi anō rā, hei te haratua meki, hei te mai, rāno, o te tau e tū mai nei, eke anō ai a Tohu Harris ki te papatākaro, ara koe rā te wā ka ora anō tōna turi meki, ka pakari anō tōna turi, whai muri ho i te hā paraparatanga. Koe rā ngā hā kinekina, kia ora.
Nā no reire te motu, mā wātea, mā te reo, hei whakamārama.
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.
Hei pāho. 99.6 Whangarei, te mita o te rohe, Ngāti Hine FM.
Thursdays, 6 p.m. Tune in to Akina. Looking at the world through our eyes. Tuakiritanga. Who am I? Manaworoa. Bounce back ability. Banangatanga. Healthy relationship. Akina, 6 p.m. Thursdays on Ngāti Hine FM. Get your first, second, or booster shot with Ngāti Hine Health Trust.
Our Torongare Vaccination Centre is open from 9 a.m. till 4 Monday to Friday.
Check out our website www.nhht.co.nz
or call us on 0800 272 4842 for more info. Yahoo!
So we thought we could pay off a home loan.
And we had some money towards our deposit.
But it wasn't enough. Our deposit was a bit like an ad on the radio that's supposed to be 45 seconds long.
But we only had 15 seconds worth of stuff to say.
That sounds like my cue. If your deposit and a home loan aren't enough to buy a home, check out First Home Partner from Kāinga Ora. It could bridge the gap. You and Kāinga Ora will own your home to buy out the Kāinga Ora shift time until your home is yours.
So we finally had what we needed to buy our first home.
And enough to spend a whole radio ad talking about it.
Check to see if First Home Partner might suit you. Visit kaingaora.govt.nz/First Home Partner.
If you're having doubts about the vaccine, it's okay and you're not alone. Our Healthline team is here to listen and talk with you about how you're feeling. We're here to talk through any questions you have about the vaccine and your health, and we'll have specialists available if you need more information. There's no pressure, no rush, and calls are free and confidential. Chatting with someone who understands is a great way to help you feel confident about making the decision that's right for you. The Healthline team are here to talk from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m, 7 days a week on 0800 28 2926.
Kaipara ki te whanga a Tāmure, Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kaima iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaima iwa ira tahi tuatu I he kurangi Ngāti Hine FM. Mori nei te iwi, welcome to the good life.
Welcome to the good life.
Yara e mara.
Welcome to the good
life. Okay, we're waiting for the beat.
Welcome to the good life.
You're welcome. You're all welcome
Hey. Hello, but morning Tiwi. You are here with a different crew this Friday morning. It's Bring Your Friend to Work Friday because the crew didn't show up Friday. The crew is off. If you've just tuned in, the boys are away. One's in Taipa, one's in Greymouth. And yeah. So Emma here.
But never fear, Generator is here.
Get it. What's that comment you got up?
It's from my moko. Jean Louise. A big shout out to my darling Jean Louise.
Hi, Jean Louise.
Hi, Jean Louise.
You're so funny.
No, I'm Jean Louise.
Very good. Here no mai hoki mai ki tēnei teihana. E are mara, and it's time for our weather. And Generator, check us the weather.
So we're currently sitting at 8.5 degrees here.
8?
18.
I was just like,
it's cold out. It's cold in here. So it feels like 8.5 degrees in here with the air conditioning on, but it does need to be on because you're nervous, do you know? So it's 18.5 currently here in Whangarei, and it's going to a high of 27 degrees.
Wow.
It's going to be another hot, stifling.
Stifling. Kia ora.
But it does feel like 20 degrees outside.
Okay.
So I'm told. Which means one layer of clothing, Marcia.
Kia ora.
Yep. And a humidity of 85%.
You've got all the data. You know.
I've been ringing Luke's contact down there at the old Met service.
Oh, yes. What's he got to say about, like, is he going to be rain or what?
No rain today. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. Just
Kia
fine.
ora.
The sun, the odd occasional cloud, but.
Oh, yes. Well, I can see a lot of cloud.
Yeah, but 27 degrees. Ooh, I think, we're going to be in for a really hot summer this summer.
Kia ora. Alright, it's here ki ngā tai o Whangarei. If you're keen for kauhoi or a swim, don't go now because it's low tide. And high tide will be at 1:45 this afternoon. So there you go. This is a good time to go for a swim. Here we are. Let's take a look at our maramataka. Do you want to do that?
I can't tune, so I'll just sing.
Oh, I don't want to do the voice.
Give me the note. Like
I can't do Batman. No, you know your note. Hina Torifa.
Hina tangi manawa kia hau. You can talk, Marcia. This is
Keep
for
going.
You. Arohaina.
That's right. Hina, it's time for your maramataka for today. It's tamatea agana. A little encouragement needed today. Okay, tiwi no reira. How te maramataka mo te rangi nei? What's the Māori lunar calendar saying? It's saying it's tamatea agana. A little encouragement needed today. Te aroha e. Then just to be flash, we'll swap. You go ta. Wairua o te aroha e. Bro, the boys make it such a huge deal.
Well, you know.
Yeah.
More about that. I might say something. I might regret.
Oh, kia ora. All right, that's the weather and your maramataka. Still to come this hour, we've got Iti Te Kupu and Mea Ana Koe, and of course, it's Waiata Friday. So if you've got any requests, toru o mai, and we'll probably not sing those. Nah, toru o mai.
E toru nā mea an option?
No. Have you been watching Waiata Fridays? No. Back it up. Back it up. Toru ngā mea. Get out of here, mate. Also, Auntie Maud, the question was, how do you share on Instagram? Now, kaua e maharahara. If you're a Facebook user and not really an Instagram user, this is for the 12 days of Christmas kaupapa. Kei te pai. If you're on Instagram, share it on Instagram. We've got a post on there. If you're on Facebook, share it on our Facebook platform.
So both will be included.
Because I realise some people just don't do Insta.
Mm.
But those who do both, you better be sharing both, okay?
Yes.
Anyway, more about 12 Days of Christmas very shortly. Here anō tōtahi. Here's a jam. It's Stan Walker. Yeah, ko whiri atu. Kia rei mara, Ngāti Hine FM.
Aku moake, tau e kore, te taura e here, ka rere atu koe, aha kua te aha, ta wharautia, te mana wa ora, kia mana wa roa.
Kei ma te wheke, kua ngā kaupuku e, kei hea te ora e, ka ngaro au i a koe, kia mana wa nui na. Koe ama, ka kitea te hua, e kopu whenua.
Kapu,
Kapa,
kape,
iara,
koe ia tōku aroha, katsu,
kata,
kata,
iara,
koe ia au anoa, kako, koha, koe ia, kia mana waroa e tā, kia kahara ko whiri a atu, he te tau, ne a atu, whiri atu, ne a atu, he te tau a paia he utu.
Horia ke te wā, hei tāku no hea, mahara ana, nau te o ati.
Watu wherati a mai, taro hapatau toko mai, ai ane ake ai, ka whanau kia koe. Kapu,
Kapa,
kape,
iara,
koe ia tōku aroha, katsu,
kata,
kata,
iara,
koe ia au are noa, kako,
kaha,
koha,
iara,
koe ia, kia meta,
kia kahara ko whiri a atu.
he te tau, ne a hatu,
Apa he
tu, tu, whiri atu, ne a hatu, he te tau apa he atu, he te tau, ne a hatu, tu, whiri atu, ne a hatu, he te tau apa he utu. Ko tāku moake,
Ko rea wewe,
wa mana wa ora, kia mana wa roa.
Mea tautoko nā te manga.
Iwa te kauma iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, mai ngā rekereke o parihaka maunga at rere atu ki te awa o hātea, atu ki te whanga o reipai, kohi ngā kūtai, atu ki te pechi tanga i te hokianga, Ngāti Hine FM.
Morena e te iwi.
Kia mara, it's a Friday and we've got some requests coming and we see those. Thank you for those. Especially you, Maruata. Thanks for the Sunday morning. Here we're going to go with this jam. Love will keep us alive. Okay.
Ooh, it's a classic hit from the Eagles, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Ooh.
You ready? Are you good?
Oh,
we haven't practiced. I think not like we practice anyway, but
it just got a lot hotter in the studio.
Kia ora.
It's hot in the studio.
We're singing in the studio. Hey. Woo. Right. Love will keep us alive. Oh, that's karaoke version. Yeah, or the thing music before it. Why this song? Because Generator tagged us on this. So did Amber. And you'll see Brotherhood music. It was like party scene, party challenge. And everybody gets to turn it singing the verses. Anyway, it's a cool video. Look it up. Love will keep us alive, party challenge. You first, you go.
I was standing here all alone in the world outside. You were searching for a place to hide. I have no idea. Lost and lonely. Now you've given me the will to survive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Whoa.
Don't you worry. Sometimes you've just gotta let it ride. World is changing right before my eyes. Now I've found you. There's no more emptiness inside. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Don't get on one line. Okay, here we go. I would die for you.
I don't know this.
Climb the highest mountain.
Uh-oh.
Baby, there's just nothing I wouldn't do. Here we go. You like the first verse.
Now I found you. There's no more emptiness inside. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive.
Oh, yeah. I would die for you. Here we go. I would not even. It's instrumental tiwi. No mai. I waita Friday. E ana I mana. When we choose a why to sing, and it would be good practice.
Absolutely.
Here we are.
Not doing everything off the cuff.
The show must go on. I think it's now. I would die for you. Climb the highest mountain. Baby, there's nothing I wouldn't do. Okay.
I was standing all alone against the world outside. You were searching for a place to hide.
Lost and lonely. Now you've given me the will to survive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Everybody at home. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Here guys. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Give that. Gotta love the Eagles. Hot done. High five. You know what? Phoenix is going to be so mad because he loves that song. We showed him the video that went viral. And yeah, it's a goer. So if you haven't seen the video, it's and you don't know Brotherhood Music, they're a cool band down in Auckland. Anyway, they're in the video, but it's just a group of mates all singing.
They're just jamming in the garage.
Yeah, it looks like the 4 a.m. spec, you know, like the ones that have held on to the very end. The party's still going. They bring out the guitar, and everybody gets a go at singing a verse. Anyway, you need to watch it. Love will keep us alive. Challenge, and they've got some cool singers. That was cool though. That was a jam.
And feel free to, upload a video onto the RIM Mara page if you're feeling it and you want to share that waiata with us.
We want to see it.
Up.
We're hungry and real. It won't keep us alive.
Love will keep us alive.
All right, that was why it's a Friday. Next, i roto i ngā miniti e tatake nei, we're going to check out Iti Te Kupu. Iwa no tutahi. Here's a jam. It's our mate, Shea Fu. Waka. Uraira, e hoi e te waka. Ki te hoi. E arai, mara, Ngāti Hiri FM.
Tell them the windows got to be framed. As long as I'm nimble, I'll locate your name. It flowers my sheep, whilst I'm on my way. This love is simple, nourishment for soul. Distance will strengthen until it's you I hold. Make yourself seen in my heart until you're home. Verbalize how I feel when I'm with you. Centralize all energy till I get through, till I get through, till I get through, till I get through. Mission over, roll is coming through. And I see her break the news. Make yourself seen in your heart until I'm through. Verbalize how I feel when I'm with you. Centralize no energy till I get through, 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 till I get through. Yeah. Moons will come and moons will go, still there is you and I. Hey. Moons will come and moons will go, still there is you and I. Singing, singing, verbalize, yeah. How I feel when I'm with you. Centralize, centralize, energy till I get through, till I get through, till I get through. Hey, hey, hey.
Te mita o te rohe, Mihine FM. Nau mai haere mai ki te whare haura o ngā tihine. Kia wero a koe ki te rongoa ārai ma te kowheori, tuatahi, tuarua, tuatoru rānei.
Ka puare ngā kuaha o te whare o Torongare mai i te iwa ki te whā, mane ki te praere.
He mea he ngā wanga e pātai rānei au, haere ki ta NHH ira NZ.
Waia mai ki kore waru kore kore, rua whetū rua, whā waru, whā rua.
Te Rauora is celebrating our essential workers with the Ngā Mihi campaign. We want to demonstrate our gratitude and aroha before before Christmas by saying Ngā Mihi, and we want you to do the same. Visit the Ngā Mihi website and create a Ngā Mihi for our frontline and essential workers. Share your Ngā Mihi through your social media network and stay connected for up-and-coming events, competitions and celebrations. You can find all the details at www.ngamihi.com.
Hey, I heard about Maya's leg. How's she doing?
She's getting there, eh? It's been pretty frustrating for her not being able to do sport. And all the physio.
It does sound frustrating. And expensive for you guys.
It's actually fine. She's been helped by ACC.
Thought she did it doing sport at school.
She did, but ACC covers tamariki wherever they are when they get injured. At home, school, wherever. They helped with medical and even paid for the crutches and other stuff she needed while she had the cast on.
That's awesome.
Tamariki get injured in an accident anywhere in Aotearoa. ACC is here to help them, including financial support for medical services, care and equipment. Find out how we support Aotearoa at e.co.nz/tamariki.
The rhythm of the rohe.
So could I have you tomorrow? Could I have you today?
Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kauma iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tuatu ihi kuragi. Mara Ngāti Hine FM, it's time for Iti Te Kupu. Yeah.
I love that song. I like this one.
Kia ora, I like this one. Ea mara, it is Iti Te Kupu. He wahanga e ako ana tātai te reo Māori puwhakarite. Ia te wā, ia te rā. A Māori metaphor simile. And today, I'm going to read you one.
We don't.
Hey.
I need all the help I can get. So if you can jump in the comments and give me a hand, that would be great.
I reckon you'll be good. Look. Why he haumari tēnei? So it's safe space, te tiwi.
Safe space.
Okay. He ho wera.
Hot teeth.
Yes. He cracked it.
Hot teeth. Oh.
Yeah. Gee,
did I get it?
You got some hot teeth. He
Shows
ho
you
wera.
hot teeth.
Yeah.
Niho wera.
Yes.
Okay, so we have to put that into a sentence, don't we?
Yeah, so if it's niho wera, if it's hot teeth, I wouldn't get this back.
Is
What
it
do
like
you think?
chewing? Like chewing into something or biting into something?
Yeah.
Like a makosha and a hunk.
Okay.
Did you hear that sound effect? Hunk.
Yeah.
Anyway, but niho wera.
Yeah.
Niho
You got it.
wera.
It's hot teeth.
Hot teeth.
Okay. But
So
you're
is
going
that when
with
you're
biting.
eating something? Is
It's
that when you
definitely
eat something and it like irritates your teeth? Is that similar or is it just
It's not-
biting into something? Is it biting into something?
It's not to do with the teeth. It's got to do with
the mouth?
Food more than eating.
Oh.
And it's about, and like,
Literal meaning hot teeth.
hot teeth. I wouldn't know how you get to this, but you're right. It is hot teeth. He niho wera. Okay, so even let's just give us an example. Going with what you think it is.
Niho wera.
Yeah, like put in a sentence.
I think I'm thinking way too.
No, you wouldn't. Like I wouldn't get this, and I don't expect you to get this. But
Can I get a clue other than
no,
niho
you
wera?
got it. Hot teeth. Now give us an example of what you think it means in a sentence.
Oh, I bit into a pie, and it gave me really hot teeth.
E go wa tētahi pai. He niho wera. Yeah, you're off.
Talking too much. We've got.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
We've got one comment here.
No, it's still to do with food.
Talking too much. Oh, food. So is it that you? Is it like the name of a food, or is
No.
it you eating into?
So it's not it's a metaphor. Okay,
I'm
so
thinking.
yeah, you
Yeah.
think metaphorically.
Yeah, I got to think metaphorically.
Mind you, like when I think of hot teeth, no one thinks of hot teeth. I would think bad breath.
Yeah. I just think I'm actually thinking the opposite. You know, when you eat an ice cream or something really cold and you get early sensitive teeth, and it's
it's more about. I'm going to say a clue: detail.
Detail. So is it something to do with talking?
No, I said to do with food.
With food. Food and detail. Food and detail.
Yeah.
Any guesses? Help me out, Monique. Sarah Kay, are you out there? Anybody? Somebody. Help.
To do with food and detail. Who?
A chef.
Kia ora.
Oh, so Zach, if I think about Zach, am I on the right track? He's he's cooking for E Ara E Mara, and he's going to have, create a spread. Niho wera.
He's definitely going to create a spread.
Prepare our
So
food.
he's the chef, and they hone in on the detail part.
So creating.
The detail.
Detail.
So that's what chefs do, eh?
Yes.
They what? They
cook and create.
And they pay
attention to detail.
Kia ora.
Oh. Okay.
There you go. He niho wera.
Niho wera.
So the literal translation, which is you got it bang on, of this kupu whakarite is hot teeth. It is a kupu whakarite for an expert cook, like Zach, a master chef. They always prepare an abundance of quality food and have a keen eye for detail. This person's food is of higher quality than one with hot hands. Indeed, their food is the absolute epitome of quality. Pera kia Fat Boys Barbecue.
That's exactly what I was thinking when you said niho wera.
Aye, niho wera. Yeah, see, it throws you off a little bit, eh? But it's all about that detail and high quality.
I think part of my issue is that I'm literally thinking, like a literal thinker.
I think that's not just your issue. I think it's all of our issue.
Okay, so don't at me, Tiwi, but yeah.
Ah, you got it. You got the hot teeth. That was correct. The food of the food of that restaurant, Hiakai, is excellent. The master chefs there are indeed extravagant with food. He rawe ngā kai o te wharekai rā, o Hiakai, he niho wera tonu ngā ringa wera o reira. So he rawe ngā kai o Fat Boys Barbecue, he niho wera.
Niho wera.
He niho wera ngā ringa wera o reira. So he niho wera Zach, he niho wera Jaws, he niho wera Papahemi, he niho wera koe atu ngā kai kuki, Auntie Maud, horekai au te niho wera. Let's just get that straight. But I make, what today? I make a good ambrosia. Don't you eat my ambrosia then? No. You are not, that's it's te kapu. Well done. See, you're a bit, a bit nervous. Here we are not. I ngana tonu. And that's what it's all about. Creating a safe space. Look, I laughed, but I was laughing with you.
Yes, I felt that. I didn't feel ridiculed or anything like that. I felt, guided into the answer. And that's exactly what I was
straight into these niho wera.
And I was a little off in terms of my explanation.
No,
but we got there in the end. It's evening.
Kia ora. That was a great rerenga kōrero.
Yes.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai. Oh, great. You get the harmony, paki. Heoi no te iwi, that's te kupu mō te rangi nei. Kia uki anō tātou ki te mita o te rohe. Here's Jan's Jam. It's one of the Morehunters, Black Pearl. Kia te hine FM.
Precious little girl, let me put you up where you belong. Black Pearl, pretty little girl, you've been in the background much too long. You've been working so hard, life through, in people's houses, raising up their children too. How about something for me and you? reign supreme. You're not gonna serve, they've got to serve my time turn for happiness. See our day has come. Just living for each other, answering to one. Black pearl, precious little girl, let me put you up where you belong. Black pearl, pretty little, you've been in the background much too long. Together we stand so brave and so tall, created by love to love one and all. Heart to heart, soul to soul, no other take your place. Who could replace that loving smile that's on your face? You never win a beauty show, no they won't pick you. But your mom is phenomenal. I love you. Black girl, let me put you up where you belong. Black girl, pretty little girl, you've been in the background much too long. You're in my arms, reign supreme. You're not gonna serve, they've got to serve my queen. You never win a beauty show, no they won't pick you. But your mom is phenomenal. I love you.
I got a black girl, she makes my world. I wouldn't leave her no, cause she's so real, the real deal. Brown girl, sound girl, we get down. Now I should be known to talk, that's where you're bound. So I'm gonna put you up where you belong. With power strong, too long in the background. You've been put down, too long wrong. You've been treated wrong, it ain't you belong. It's just a stand strong, stand strong. Stand strong in the morning, stand strong. Stand strong in the night, stand strong. Stand strong in the morning, stand strong. It feels so right, cause the life is what you need. It makes you healthy, business, make you pound around, it makes you vision, you're almighty. So I'm gonna put you up where you belong. You gotta put you up where you belong.
Black girl,
I got a black girl,
little girl,
she makes my world.
let me put you up where you belong.
Let me put you up where you belong, girl.
Black girl,
I got a black girl,
pretty little girl,
she makes my world.
you've been in the background much too long. Yes, little girl, let me put you up where you belong. Black girl, pretty little girl, you've been in the background much too long. Girl, you're my precious little girl, you're my precious little girl. Black girl, pretty little girl, you've been in the background much too long. Precious little girl, black girl.
Ina ono ki whangarai nei, iwa te kauma iwa ina tu atu I he kurangi I Ngāti FM. One of the More Hunters with Black Pearl.
I love that song.
Ah, you're listening to E Are Mara. It's a different crew today. As you would know, the crew is off in all parts of Aotearoa I te rangi nei. Yo, no, the show must go on, and we've got Generator coming from backstage to front stage.
Yeah, ora, I te iwi.
Kia ora. Right now it is time for... E mea na koe.
Ai, tono.
Nā wai tika. Mea na koe. Time filled with tupura. Well, facts that are... and you can determine where they're for cakes.
I actually enjoy this part of the show. I enjoy a lot of the part of the show, but I love listening to this part. 'Cause it's really random ass stuff that you wouldn't even think about.
All right. Well, hit us with your random facts.
Well, I've got a random fact here, E te iwi. What do Miss Piggy and Yoda have in common?
What? Other than they're both puppets.
They
Or
were-
is Yoda a puppet?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. May the force be with you. Well, so that is they were both voiced by the same person.
What?
Puppeteer Frank Oz.
Get it.
Yeah. Random ass fact right there.
Frank
Dee Wee.
Oz.
So Miss
Miss
Piggy and
Piggy
Yoda.
and Yoda.
Yeah.
Go, give us your best Yoda. Do it again.
What does he say?
Yoda it is. I don't know.
No, I cannot do it.
Force be with you, mate.
Very good. That was well done,
Now
man.
do your best, Miss Piggy.
Oh.
Hello. I don't know how
That
to
sounds
do
like
Miss
Kermit.
Piggy. I can't hear her. Kermit. No, that's terrible. Miss Piggy.
Miss Piggy.
I can see her. I just can't hear her. Miss Piggy.
I could just
I
visualize
don't
her
know
and
if
Kermit
it
the
sounds
Frog.
like that. Kermit the Frog. Nah, that's terrible too. Jeez.
So
Where's
random
Phoenix?
aspect.
He's really good at that. Anyway, Yoda.
Miss
Yoda
Piggy.
is- and Miss Piggy, same voice.
Same voice. Frank Oz.
Get it. All right. Any more facts you've got?
No, you've got. Have you got any?
I've got one.
Okay.
In this
Hit us.
in this day music history, we did mention the song before, "Sitting on the Dock of the Bay" by Otis Redding was released the other day. But today, in music history, on the December back in 1967, Otis Redding actually died today. He was he died in a
Oh.
plane crash, aged only 26.
Now I heard you and Luke.
Sits in the
You and Luke
dock
were
of
talking
the
about this
bay.
last week. He
Yeah.
didn't get to see the release of his song or something.
Nah, he
was it?
didn't. And it's what his top top single of all time of his, Sitting on the Dock of the Bay. And that part when it goes, really good at whistling, by the way. Here and all that part wasn't meant to be a whistle. Like he was supposed to go back in the studio and fill it with singing. So he just said,
Oh.
this will do for now. I'll come back and put
Yeah.
some more lyrics to it.
But he never made it.
But he never made it back. But that song's gone, worldwide. It was his top hit. And with the whistle, you just think it's supposed to be it.
Sitting on the
Yeah.
bay.
But yeah, so a
Wasting
plane crash. So
time.
Redding and his band had made an appearance in Cleveland, Ohio, on the local upbeat television show. The previous days, the plane carrying Otis Redding and his band crashed at 3:28 in the afternoon into icy waters of Lake Monomoy near Madison. Redding was killed in the crash along with members from the Bar-Kays, Jimmy King, Ron Caldwell, Fallon Jones, and Carl Cunningham. Trumpet player Ben Corley was the only person to survive the crash. Wow. That was this day in music history.
Wow.
Kia ora.
Otis Redding.
Kia ora.
Very
He
good.
mea anō tai?
Right, I've got another one here. Where is it? Did you know that there are no muscles in your fingers? Their function is controlled by muscles in your palms and
Kia ora.
arms.
Kia ora.
Like,
No muscles in your fingers. Wow.
so yeah.
I tell you what I did, Paul. I feel like I strained my thumb.
Oh, because he basketballer queer.
Oh, no, wow. Before that, here, Jim Goaho.
Oh,
And I broke the rule of leaning on your thumb, because I thought my thumb can hold the entire body weight of mine. No, it can't. Anyway, it went click. And I was like, but I didn't break it. I thought I did, but I didn't. It sprayed. But even since then, any knock to it, I'm like, ow. Anyway, yeah, that's a great random fact for you. Wow, this is so deep for a Friday. Maruata, I gotta love that you've got spare time today.
Not at work today, Maruata.
Oh, she's in lockdown anyway. Tamaki Makaurau.
This is right. This is true.
Oh,
We're not doing
some of them have gone back to work though.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway. I've got one more. In 1998 on this day, Bruce Springsteen. You used to like him, didn't you?
Yeah, he was a hunk.
Oh,
spunk.
kia ora, hunk of spunk.
Back in the day, not that long ago, we.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, on this day, he won a $2 million court battle to ban an album of his earlier songs. So he wanted to ban them himself. The case revolved around a dispute over copyright ownership between Bruce and a former manager.
How's that though? You just $2 million.
He won.
He won.
it. So not a waste of money then? Or
Mm.
maybe just try win your friendship back. Oh, that's deep.
That is deep. Yeah, very going deep.
Also, big huge shout out to my nephew Te Kaitaki Harrison. He celebrates his 25th birthday today.
good.
Hari huri tau kia koe, hari huri tau kia koe, hari huri tau kia koutou. Hari huri tau kia koe. Very good. Yeah, happy birthday. Hope you have a great day and all. And anybody else celebrating their birthday today, that song was for you too.
Is there anybody else that we know
Is there?
celebrating a birthday today? Do you know
Look into
anybody?
it.
Let me have a look.
That's all that's on my radar.
Birthdays. Any birthdays today?
Any celebrities you share it with? No one that I know.
I just, and this isn't a birthday shout out, but I'm just going to say, kia ora, Susie May.
Oh, kia ora,
Nanny
Susie
loves
May.
you. She's awake now.
Oh, and kia ora, Glenn.
Kia ora, the brother.
Hio no te we're going to give Waiata Friday another go in the next couple minutes. Isn't that what you said?
Yes.
Okay. She wants redemption.
What do we do?
Kia ora tonu mai. Right now, here's Phoenix's favourites. Goi. Kia te hine FM. FM. It is 5 minutes to 9 o'clock, which simply means time for us to get on out of here. Thank you for coming along and filling in the gap very well, I must say.
Oh, thank you very much for having me, Tiwi.
Wow.
Hopefully on Monday you'll have the crew back, Mr. Luke Bird and Tina Stucker.
Before you go, you said you wanted to give this another go. Okay, so it's Waiata Friday.
Myself. And hi, Sambo.
So we're going to sing Waiata Friday song. It's Love Will Keep Us Alive. It's the Eagles. It's a jam. Here we go.
Thank you, Nanny.
You take verse one. Hopefully we don't get the grab music and they cut us off.
I was standing all alone against the world outside. You were searching for a place to hide. Lost and lonely, now you've given me the will to survive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive.
Don't you worry, sometimes you've just gotta let it ride. The world is changing right before your eyes. Now I've found you. There's no more emptiness inside. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Yeah, there you go. Oh, there's the Grammy music. I knew it would happen. Actually, no, we can stop that. Let's stop it. We're still singing.
What happened? What
Oh,
happened?
the Grammy music came in too early. It's not even the news.
Oh.
Here we go. From the top. I was
standing all alone in the world outside.
I repeat.
You were searching high. Am I in the next one?
Standing.
Oh,
Hey,
I don't have my TV.
I don't have my theory. That's what you get when the radio cuts in before they have to cut it. Don't do that again, TV.
No.
Let's
Never go
redeem it
say
at the
it.
end.
Where are we?
I would die for you, I think. I would die for you. Climb the highest mountain. Oh, baby, there's nothing I wouldn't do. You from the top.
Now I found you. There's no more emptiness inside. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive.
From the start.
Oh, I got you in.
Now
He whaira tēnei e te iwi aroa mai.
Ready, together. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Last line. Hungry, love will keep us alive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Okay, that did not. Kagi te tiwi, ela e para.
E ngā iwi o te motu, tēnā nō rā koutou katoa. Scotty Morrison tēnei me ngā upoko kōrero o te haora nā te pūtea tautoko a te māngai